Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta brake pedal feels soft issues and potential problems based on commonly documented and verified information. A soft brake pedal in the Ford Fiesta generally refers to a pedal that feels spongy, sinks lower than normal, or requires additional travel before braking response is felt. This condition can reduce braking confidence and may vary in severity depending on driving conditions. Verified information shows this concern has been observed across multiple Fiesta model years with variation based on braking system design, maintenance history, and mileage. One commonly documented cause involves air present in the brake hydraulic system. Air entering the brake lines can compress under pedal pressure, which results in a soft or spongy pedal feel. Brake fluid condition is another verified cause category. Old contaminated or moisture-laden brake fluid can affect hydraulic pressure and pedal firmness over time. Brake component wear has also been documented. Excessive wear in brake pads, calipers, or rear drum components where equipped can contribute to increased pedal travel. After these documented causes are introduced, it is important to clarify that this video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors may include brake hose expansion under pressure or internal master cylinder seal wear. These factors are not present in every case but could be related depending on inspection findings and system condition. General guidance for addressing a soft brake pedal usually involves inspecting the braking system for leaks, bleeding the brake lines to remove air, verifying brake fluid condition, and checking component wear. Verified owner feedback trends indicate varied outcomes, with some vehicles resolved through fluid service while others require component repair depending on age and usage. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta soft brake pedal concerns are not linked to a single cause and may differ by model year, braking configuration, and maintenance history. Accurate diagnosis is essential to ensure safe braking performance. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.